I'm so glad you're watching this video right now because you have some free time and you can just do at least one of these hobbies that I'm about to talk about, and I believe it'll help you a lot. Because when I just did my first new hobby, I instantly felt a lot better. So I don't want you to miss out on this. Not only are hobbies really fun, but they can actually help you a lot, especially if you do the right ones. And it is so freaking windy. I have no idea why. Nobody just hopes that it's so windy outside. Why? I used to not really have any hobbies, not want to do anything besides be home. And then whenever I would, I don't know, watch a YouTube video and I would see someone do something cool, see a cool play in sports or something, that would make me kind of want to try it. And that's how I started to get a lot more hobbies, just by seeing something cool, imagining something, and then thinking, what if I did that? I want to try it. And I loved watching soccer or football. And I remember watching the World Cups, watching all the cool goals, and just thinking of how fun it would be if I was actually able to play soccer a lot more. And I actually had the perfect opportunity for this because I was just going into my first year of high school, and I was presented with the opportunity to play soccer, and I almost didn't. I almost didn't sign up. And at the same time, I almost didn't make one of the best decisions of my life. Because imagine walking on your first day to school when you're 13 years old, seeing this big school, so many things you don't know, so many people you don't know that are older than you, that look cooler than you, that are doing things that you're not. You might see one or two people that you've known from the previous years of school, and then one of them also just happened to want to play soccer too. And just because I thought soccer was fun, I've seen the cool goals, I've seen the cool moments, so I wanted to play it myself. And if it wasn't for that hobby, if it wasn't because I liked playing soccer, if it was just some random other sport, I probably wouldn't have played it. And I would have been a completely different person. I would have felt completely different about my school. And I honestly wouldn't be here right now. You would not be listening to me speak. And that's just because of one hobby I had. And then imagine all the other hobbies that you can do and all the opportunities that'll give you. And just think about, not even because it's fun, just think about what soccer or any other sport gives you. You get to stay active, you move around, you get to play with other people. That was also another big thing. I met so many more people because I played sports. You stay in shape more, you be more healthy, you play with more people. And it's on top of all of those things, it's so much fun. And that's why I absolutely love sports. And you don't have to play sports. You can do something else. You can go on runs. You can go to the gym. And I like so many other sports: basketball, American football, rugby, hockey, almost any sport, honestly, just because it's fun. I can play with people. It's active, gets me healthier. So just think, if you can do a hobby like that, that will be honestly amazing. I wasn't too fond of playing for the soccer team. I thought it was too much. It would take too much time, all that stuff. But I realized that it was less scarier than I thought. It was more fun than I thought. It helped me more than I ever thought it would. And that's just from doing one little hobby. So you have your physical, active hobby, and now you have your smart hobby. The hobby that trains your brain, that gets you thinking. Get to get smarter while having fun. I remember I used to play a lot of video games, watch shows, but instead what I did, I just played chess instead of playing video games. And that got me a lot more smarter. It allowed me to think better. Think of any hobby like that. Puzzles, reading, learning, being at school. You can also have creative hobbies, which are similar to just smart hobbies. That's like art, music, filming right now. Those hobbies allow you to also just express yourself and get yourself to think even more. Think about why it's so windy. I can make a painting about that. And I just love making these little videos. They're really cool to make sometimes, a lot of the time. And I like to play music, play the piano. So if you can get any more of those physical hobbies, the smart hobbies, the creative hobbies, think about how you can do anything like that, or how you can do those hobbies more, or new hobbies that you can try. And also if there's just any fun other little thing that you like to do. Having another thing to do instead of being bored is great. By the time you watch this whole video, you could have tried another hobby. So there is no reason why you can't try a new hobby, try a new thing, and not be as bored. And the best part about it is that when you find those cool hobbies that you think are interesting, that you want to try, and then you do them over and over and over again for years, and then you just become so great at those hobbies, it becomes so cool and surprising. If you can do this thing, you also do that, and then you do this other thing, but you could also do this, and then you could do that. It honestly feels so cool doing all of those things, and you're actually not bad at it. So just keep going. I hope this gave you some ideas, and I hope you like the environment of this video. Watch this video for more, and yeah, have a great rest of your day. Bye.